Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy Buds4 Pro and I'm going to show you how you can easily rename them in your Android device. So, at first you need to open the settings, then go straight to the Bluetooth and now tap your device in the devices list. Now, here. Now, as you can see, we are in our device settings, and here we've got rename Galaxy Buds4 Pro. Just tap it, and now we can add everything to this name. Add letters, add emojis, numbers, everything you just want to do so. And then, if you're done, tap OK. As you can see, if we go back now, we can see Galaxy Buds4 Pro JGKG. Now, how to go back? Actually, you need to just do something like this and OK. Now we are done. Have a nice day and goodbye.